Can I talk? Can I please? Hi beauties! If you're watching these videos in this is our Ipsy box. Really? Well, that's what Bill has to say about it. BoxyCharm box with Ipsy. So let me just jump in and let's check it out. I love the little messages. Okay. So BoxyCharm is 5 full-size items. Members choose 3 products up to a $200 value, and it's $28 a month. And y'all all know that I am a huge pusher of being a BoxyCharm subscriber, because I have received so many brand name high-end items that I absolutely love, that I would have never got to try otherwise. And even if I wasn't being gifted BoxyCharm, I would be purchasing it, because I, as a makeup lover, have never been able to get the things that I love, and now I do. And I'm so excited about it every month. And this month, well, let's just dive right in. We have a Murad. I'm about to start using this because Mother Nature is hitting me in a wrong way this month. You ladies that are my age know that our lady cycles are sporadic, and when it does happen to come around, your face breaks out. So I'm going to be starting this tonight. It is Environmental Shield Essential C Toner Lotion. Use AM or PM. Apply evenly with a cotton pad over clean face and neck. So I'm saying this would probably go straight on right after you've washed your face. I mean, it is a toner, so obviously. Is there anything else we should know about this? It's refreshing pH balanced toner with vitamin A, C, and E. Energizes and helps remove impurities to prepare skin for treatments that follow. So there you go. That's going to be my sole savior of my face. The next thing we have is a really cool packaging. It's from Dew of the Gods, which we know I love me some Dew of the Gods. This is QUW. I don't know. Cucumber and Collagen Vitamin Salt Scrub. And so this is the giver of hydrated, bouncy, and firm skin. She's a summertime elixir of cucumber and collagen, formulated to start your day off with a bounce. Bounce. Okay. You know that summertime vacation feeling after spending the day at the beach and just before going out to dinner? That's the vibe we're going for. How to use. Scrub me all over during your morning bath or shower with whatever pressure feels right. For deep exfoliation, try using on your dry skin. I am dying to see how this smells. Cucumber and something. It says it has coconut in it as well, but it's definitely the smell of like cucumber and watermelon. That's what I'm smelling. It doesn't say anything about watermelon on here, but that's what I'm smelling. So I can't wait to use that tonight. I mean, I know it says to use it in the morning, but I'm a nighttime bather, so it is what it is. Now we have from Estate, Most Wanted Liquid Lip Balm. A women's own company. Vegan and cool. Oh my God. Vegan and cruelty free. Let's squeeze tube. I'm not always fond of squeeze tubes. Oh, but it does have a, let's just, oh, that's gonna look really pretty with that quad. Okay, that's approved. Which is like, this shade in red is the only lipstick colors I have. I really need to like branch out, but I never do. I actually just really love red on my lips. Was not allowed to wear red at all when I was a kid. No red nails, no red lips. Religious folk know why. If you were raised in a strict religious household, you weren't gonna go looking like no floozy. Things just change. Oh my God, that is so cute. What is this? So this is from, our next product is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is a stick blush in the shade Pink Dahlia. And it has a brush. So there is the shade. Let's just keep it going on my arm. Oh my God, that is gonna look so freaking good. And look at this little brush. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is so pretty. I can't wait to wear this. Oh my gosh. And I love Anastasia packaging. So pretty. So freaking pretty. And then we have a Berries and Cream Dreams Velvety Eye Shadow by Violet Voss. Very common to get Violet Voss palettes. So I think they're always very pretty. This is almost a dupe for a high-end palette that I have. And this is very pretty. Let's just try a few. Oh yeah. Those are just 4 of the colors. Very pretty, very pigmented. I like this. This is Evie approved. I should do a thing where I only use one palette for like a certain amount of time. Wouldn't that be weird to do or cool to do? Has anybody else done that on YouTube? Have any of the beauty gurus just taken one single palette and used it for like every day for say a month or 2 months to see exactly how long a palette would last if you used it solely? And you know, I think I'll try that. That would be cool, right? We'll see. I don't know if I can devote to one thing like that. So that concludes the end of the BoxyCharm box. Here's your 5 full-size items from Dew of the Gods and Violet Voss to Murad, Anastasia, and Estate. These are some names that we love and trust, and then there are some new ones. And I could not be happier. I love most of these brands because I'm very familiar with them, and I'm excited to use a new brand. So that is it for August. I have to say, this is a perfect August birthday box for me because I actually really love the names on these products and these companies. So, yay me. Birthday present. So, I hope you're having a wonderful August. I know that I am going to try, and it is my birthday month. So, all good things, all the wishes to you for a happy, wonderful rest of your summer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And as always, you're loved.